Hey guys, back again with another install on the Jeep today. This time we're taking a look at the Combat Off-Road Hood Latches. So I first met Ryan from Combat Off-Road at SEMA back in 2023, and then spent some time with him on the trails at Easter Jeep Safari this year. After getting to learn more about the brand and knowing Ryan more in general, I really wanted to put some Combat Off-Road accessories on my Jeep. So let's go ahead and jump to what comes in the box with this kit.
So the first thing you'll notice is how high quality everything is, even the packaging. Combat Off-Road includes super detailed instructions to make the install as easy as possible. They even include what tools you'll need. As we remove the latches themselves, you can really see the quality. There aren't any plastic parts, everything is UV treated, and the attention to detail is obvious. These are clearly going to be a huge upgrade over the factory latches and will prevent fluttering at any speed, especially since they're adjustable. Okay, so now that we've gone through the box, let's get these installed. The first thing you'll need to do is open your hood. With our parts laid out, let's start mocking these up. Undo the turnbuckle and align the two top brackets together. Next, lay out all your hardware and get your tools ready. Now you're going to locate these two bolts on the hood and one bolt on your quarter panel. Using a 10mm socket or wrench, remove the lower mounting hardware from the factory lower hood latch on both sides. In order to mount the lower bracket, we need to take the assembly apart slightly. Using a 6mm hex key, remove the retaining bolt and spacer. This is required to access the mounting hole to attach the bracket to the Jeep. Clean the area thoroughly. Align the lower mount with the body using the provided gasket, M8 bolt, washer, and nut. Using a 5mm hex key and a 13mm socket, tighten the hardware. Reinstall the turnbuckle, sleeves, and hardware into the lower mount using a 6mm hex key. For the top mount, align your upper mounting brackets with the base plate and installed with the supplied gasket, M6 bolts, washer, and nuts. Using a 4mm hex key and 10mm socket, tighten the hardware once aligned with the hood. Repeat these steps to install on the opposite side. Now we can close the hood and adjust our latches. You can adjust the turnbuckle length by rotating the main body until the quick release pin can be placed into the upper mount through the rod end. With the pin in place, you can set the desired hood gap. Once set, tighten the jam nuts on each end. And that's it! A huge upgrade for your Jeep in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for future Jeep installs.